Hi, quick video how to prevent unnecessary discharge of your car battery if your car is going to be stationed for some long time, like this one here. This one is going to be parked for about more than 1 month. So what I do to prevent unnecessary battery discharge is you open the hood. Then you lock your car. When it's disconnected, you'll be able to open your car with your key. Every car has this option. Sometimes they're hidden under some plastic panel, but it's there. Normally, red is always your plus terminal, but this is French car, so it's a bit different. Your plus terminal is right here, and if you look here closer, you can see plus. So most of the time you need range for 10 millimeters. In this case, you have here some interesting system just to disconnect your battery like this. There you go. That's it. I hope this was useful. This is what I do, and that prevents my battery from discharging if I need to station this car for a long time, like in my case. Be aware, sometimes you need to have a code to start your car radio back before you disconnect your battery. Search for that code first. Hope this was useful.
Bye.